Hey guys, we're gonna do a little eye makeup tutorial, so keep watching. Put on our headband. We're gonna use some sticky tape. I'm gonna break off 2 pieces. And then you're just gonna stick it down. And it's just gonna like follow your eye line. And then we'll go in with the Mecca eye primer. And just put it all over the eyelid. And then just rub it in. I'm just going to use the Me, Myself and Mitchell palette. I'm just going to use this shade just to set it all in place. Go in with this black shade. And then we'll go in with this colour and just put it in the inner corner part. And then we'll go in with this pink shade and just put it next to the yellow. And then we'll go in with this purple one, and then we're just going to put it on the end. And we're going to use a micellar water with the little cotton tips. And then you do it while your eye is open. Then I just use a concealer on the crease. And then we're just going to use this white shade. We'll come back to this one, and then we'll go in with this yellow shade and just put it next to the white. And then we'll go in with the pink. Just put it next to the pink. Wait, just put it next to the yellow. And then I'll go in with this one, just to help blend the yellow and the pink. Then we'll go in with the purple and just put it in there. And then I'll just go back in with the black. I got this BYS liquid eyeshadow. We're just going to open it. And then use a little brush and just dab a little, put a little bit on the brush. And we're just going to put it all the way along the cut crease line. And there we go. And then we'll use my little Maybelline eyeliner. We're gonna, now we'll take off the sticky tape. Now while I wait for my lashes to dry, I'm gonna go do my base and then I'll be right back. My base is all done. And then we're gonna put the lashes on. And we'll go back in with the eyeliner pencil and just do the little inner corner wing. We're going to go in with a black pencil and just do it on the waterline. We'll just go back in with the purple and then just put it underneath. I use the Revolution Soap Brows on my brows. really see it, but it's a Max Factor lip liner pencil in Berry. We're just gonna line the lips. I'm just going to buff it out so there's no harsh lines. Gonna go in with the Gwen Stefani lipstick in the shade Cowboy. Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. And then we're just going to set it all in place. And then that's all done. I'll come back with the finished look. So this is the final look. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!